Agents are no longer waiting for instructions, they are completing them. Your software now has hands. This is the AI radio show with Aarti, and today you're stepping straight into the biggest tech shift of the decade, the rise of agentic AI. If you thought AI was just for chatting, your Monday is about to change. Let's download the future. Anthropic released Claude Opus 4.5 and this officially marks the global shift from generative AI to agentic AI. Models that doesn't just write, they execute tasks, navigate screens, click buttons, fix errors, and finish workflows autonomously. Now, why does it matter? This is the first time a model demonstrates long horizon computer use. It sees your screen via vision, it identifies UI elements, it clicks, scrolls, types. If it makes a mistake, it recovers and tries again. This kills the need for most API based automations and eliminates the entire layers of admin work. It's the beginning of what experts call the one click economy. If your job involves moving data from tab A to tab B, updating resumes is now a Monday activity. Apple's upcoming M6 neural chip is rumored to enable large-scale AI inference locally, meaning your 70 billion model could run fully offline on your laptop. Agentic AI needs constant screen access. That makes screenshots, emails, financials, and chat windows extremely sensitive. Corporations refuse to send this to the cloud. Running an agent locally ensures screenshots are never leaving the device ever again. Privacy has become a status symbol. Owning an M6 Neural is basically the new version of having a vault in your house. Did I just make a mistake by ordering the MacBook Pro M5 chip? 2025 saw the first wave of full-length AI-generated films like The Woman with the Red Hair from Staircase Studios, produced under $500,000. Another hit, Daisy, uses hybrid human plus AI visuals. Now, Hollywood unions are furious about this. The SAG-AFTRA's 2025 deal protects digital replicas of real actors, but fully synthetic actors? Nobody saw it coming. I mean, they did, but these are the loopholes. They bypass unions entirely. When the actors said AI is taking our jobs, Hollywood said noted. Anyway, here's Tilly Norwood, a fully synthetic influencer. Well, here we are entering into the next segment of today, the number of the day. And the number of the day is 800 million. That's how many weekly users ChatGPT now has. And that many of their emails, posts, captions, comments, they're all not written by humans, just pasted from a model. Blend that with over 1 million fully synthetic personas used in market research, and you get something close to the dead internet theory. Yes, the internet isn't dead, it's just crowded with ghosts, the AI ghosts. Today's strategy session is about the most alarming shift in the tech job market, the junior gap. By automating the grunt work, debugging, documentation, boilerplate code, agentic AI has wiped out the traditional training ground for new developers. Here's the paradox. Juniors are hired to learn. AI has automated the tasks through which they used to learn. Seniors don't have time to mentor, so companies aren't just hiring juniors at all. One Redditor summarized it perfectly. I feel like a supervisor for a machine, but not a developer. And this is a consequence. If no juniors are hired in 2025, there are no mid-levels in 2027. and no senior architects in 2030. This isn't replacing developers, it's hollowing out the entire talent ladder. Here is a strategic play for you. Become a curator. And here is a powerful metaphor to kickstart your Monday. Treat the AI like a talented but drunk intern. Meaning your advantage is not typing, not coding, and not speed, but your advantage is taste, the ability to detect subtle bugs, to judge quality, to ask, does this solve the right problem? Basically, curate. Your actionable career strategy for 2026 should shift from I can code to I can evaluate. This means learn systems thinking, become excellent at code reviews, understand architecture, build products end to end to learn intuition, specialize in problems but not tools, build a reputation for reasoning and not typing. Because in the agentic era, syntax is cheap, but semantics is priceless. I just dropped a golden statement out there.
According to market data, 70% of junior developer tasks, debugging, documentation, and boilerplate are now fully automatable by agentic AI systems. This reduces entry-level hiring by an estimated 55%, creating a multi-year talent vacuum.
There it is. The AI doesn't replace seniors. It replaces the staircase seniors climbed to become seniors, which means the humans who thrive now are the ones who will learn how to think about the model, not compete with it. Today's synth break is brought to you by, Suno for version 4.5. Hallucinating, it's a real jazz musician. The breath you just heard, the model doesn't even have lungs. It hallucinated the idea of a breath because that's what jazz sounds like in its training data. Okay, see you after a short break.
This Monday download is sponsored by Focus Brew, the only coffee designed for the AI era. 20 grams of protein, 0 grams of slop. Brew fast, think faster. Next, we have NeuroBite Hydrate, the drink for brains that refuse to lag. 2 electrolytes short of a supercomputer and packed with clean focus nootropics. Stay sharp, stay human, stay ahead of your own to-do list. NeuroBite Hydrate. Sip smart, think smarter.
These ads were not real and they were not sponsored, but it sounds like it could be. And if you are a brand listening to this, it is your cue to reach me at nancyr@thearthyaicollective.com. Nancy is my new executive assistant and she will set us up. Alright, we're entering our next segment called The Riff. There is a viral post floating around X right now and it says, if your brand fires copywriters to save $20 a month with ChatGPT, congratulations, you've turned your brand into grey slop. Let's unpack that. LLMs regress to the mean. They generate safe, average, neutral, generic content. Brands doing this at scale create a slop economy. Platforms are already penalizing AI slop in ranking algorithms. If you think about it, AI didn't degrade content, people did, by removing editors. When you remove the human who adds flavor, context, friction, personality, texture, insight, your brand becomes identical to everybody else. So here's my take. Use AI as your engine, use humans as your steering. Brands don't die from AI. Brands usually die from laziness. Alright, the next segment is a productivity tip for you. And today's tactical tool comes straight from the heart of your everyday needs and is instantly life-changing. This is your email triage protocol. Here's the prompt. Use it with your local model if you are privacy conscious. Act as my executive assistant. Read this PDF of email threads and categorize every message into fires, actions, waits, updates, and newsletters. For each category, provide priority, owner, next step, and a one-sentence TLDR. Don't worry, I will paste this exact prompt in the description below. Please check it out. And why this prompt works is because modern models like Opus 4.5 can do reasoning and prioritization, not just summarization. So here's the pro move. Pair this with your phone's focus modes. Use a local model once M6 neural drops, or run it on a secure laptop so your email threads never hit the cloud. So the outcome, you'll never drown in your inbox again. Let the model sort it for you. You decide and you act. Alright, we've covered a lot in this Monday download. Agentic AI is no longer theory, it is here. Local inference is becoming the new privacy standard. Hollywood is officially entering the synthetic era. The junior gap is the biggest labor crisis no one is fixing. The internet is full of synthetic personas, and slop will destroy your brand unless you stay intentional. Use the email triage protocol today. It will save your week. And tomorrow, Tuesday, is Tools Day. We are diving into the best agent workflows, the exact tools that matter, and a detailed guide to building your first automated desktop agent. The last and the final section of the day, your analog moment for the day. Grab a pen, it just takes 5 minutes. Write down the 3 things you actually want to accomplish this week. In a world of ghost accounts, synthetic personas, one-click workflows, and agents that can literally use your computer, the only thing that keeps you grounded is ink. Yep, the ink on your physical pen. This was the AI Radio Show with Aarti. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, it's Aarti signing off.